Good morning and assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, class, tell me what is the day today? Today is Wednesday, and which day today? 13th of January 2021. What is the weather like today? Foggy day, and it's very cold weather. Okay, class, it's your maths period. So let's start our day with the numbers. Which number is this? Number 1. What comes after 1? Number 2. What comes after number 2? Number 3. What comes after 3? Number 4. What comes after 4? Number 5. What comes after 5? Number 6. What comes after 6? 7. What comes after 7? Number 8. What comes after 8? Number 9. And what comes after 9? 10. 1 and 0, 10. 1 and 0, 10. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1 and 0, 10. 1 and 0, 10. Okay, class playgroup, open your notebook. Today we will write numbers from 1 to 10. Today is Wednesday, 13th of January 2020. Okay, let's start our work. Firstly, we will write number 1. Put your pencil on the starting point and makes a straight line. Start from the top and makes a straight line like this. Number 1. What comes after 1? Come on, tell me, playgroup. What comes after 1? Number 2. We will write number 2. Start from the top, makes a curve like this, and then makes a slanting line, and then makes a slipping line. Number 2. What comes after number 2? Number 3. We will write number 3. Start from the top, makes a curve, and then makes an other curve like this. This is number 3. What comes after number 3? Number 4. Okay, we will write number 4. Start from the top, makes a slanting line, then makes a slipping line, go back to the middle, and then makes a straight line like this. Okay, and now we will write number 5. Start from the top, makes a slipping line, then makes a slanting line, and then makes a curve, slightly curved like this. Okay, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and now we will write number 6. Makes a slanting line and go round like this. Okay, and now we will write number 7. Start from the top, makes a slipping line and then makes a slanting line like this. Okay, now we will write number 8. Start from the top, make a circle, go round like this, and then make an other circle like this. Okay, now we will write number 9. Start from the top, make a curve, go back to the top again, and then makes a straight line top to the bottom like this. Number 9. And now we will write number 10. We will make a straight line, start from the top, go down like this, number 1, and now we will write 0. Start from the top, make a 0, go down like this. Okay, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 and 0, 10. 1 and 0, 10. Okay, playgroup class, do practice numbers from 1 to 10. And also recognize these numbers and send me your feedback. Okay class, thank you and Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.